All right, welcome back to another episode of NC Hammer Crypto. My name's Neil, where we keep technical analysis short and sweet. So we're looking at Bitcoin. It did have support right around 77,000. We were expecting it to retrace around there. We do want to see this push over the 200 EMA up towards this black downward trend line and potentially hit the 0.618 at 95,000. When you're looking at LCX, it's trying to still maintain the cup and handle formation. It is testing below this upward trend line. If you move it a little bit, you could consider it support on 3 touches. It hasn't broke yet, but it does have this wick on the daily, so I would still wait on entering on LCX. Also not financial advice. Dogecoin has had a about 48 to 15 cents, about a 69% decrease, but it is forming a major cup and handle as well. When you look at this, you can see this would be the cup essentially, just like XCN and LCX are trying to form, and then the handle being this portion. A little bit tinier, more aggressive drop, but then it's going to get some major support and start pushing upwards. They say Dogecoin could even hit $4 and is currently at 17 cents. So wait for your entry on that one. XRP, always a fan favorite. It did do its head and shoulders here and tested below this line, had the rejection with the Trump news, rejection there, and it tested off the 200 EMA and started building support. We want to see it break this upward black trend line for a further increase in price. XCN, one of the top coins we've been looking at, is also doing the cup and handle as we have laid out here. It is trying to break over this black trend line, which would be the handle. And once this breaks, it's trying to push up above the fair value gap. When it breaks, it's going to start pushing up to 4 cents. After 4 cents, the next stop is about, 4 cents, 5.4 cents, and then 10 cents being its top. But I believe we will see it push past 10 cents. We just kind of have to wait for that confirmation. We'll probably see some rejection right around 10 cents as well. There's Hbar. Hbar is starting to build a little bit of support right on the line we had drawn around 18 cents, where you can look at support happened back here in April. I'd wait on Hbar, see what is happening next. BNT is trying to test off support as well, and they had an AMA, but it is at an absolute low. You could buy some and do some dollar cost averaging to push it back up, and then we saw once it pushed over the 200 EMA, it had a major increase, about 65%. DNT is the last one to be looking at besides Spell for a meme coin, and DNT is trying to hold this orange line right here and use that as support to push back up over the 200 EMA. Actually, 2 more. Core is having staking done today. Ignite Season 3 for them. I believe they had core staking back here in March 21st and then had a major pump. We just kind of want to see that it is testing and holding support around 37 cents. And we want to see it push up towards this black trend line and then break that. And we could see a higher increase. And lastly, 2 more. XYO had a major pump. It went from fractions of a cent to still fractions of a cent, but about a 51% increase today. Had some rejection. We do want to see it push over the 200 EMA and then close, and then we could see a further push up. And lastly, XYO, you could also consider this a cup and handle pattern as well, and it is working on the handle right here. But once it pushes up and breaks both of these right here, this black trend line and above the fair value gap being these 2 yellow lines, we can see further increase in that. I always recommend MEXC for trading. Always do your own research. I have links listed below. Grass, if you want free money. It uses your broadband internet that you're not using, and you get paid for it. There's also a reference link below for that and Coinbase. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you on the next one.